Next up, we have BookingPress. This plugin has come a long way. A few years ago, I would not recommend it, but today it's actually become quite nice. If you want to demo this plugin, you can actually go to their website, click on demo, and you can actually demo the admin point of view, the staff point of view, and even the customer point of view. Now, this plugin is not available in the WordPress repository. However, if you go to their website, they have a free version available for download. If you download this, you can upload it to the backend of your WordPress website and have full access to the light version. Now, there's two things that stood out with this plugin versus competitors. The first thing is BookingPress offers their own setup wizard for first-time users to help them with the booking process. I think every booking plugin should have this, but for some reason they don't. So this can drastically help guide first-time users to have a smooth booking process. Another really cool option is in the general settings. They have a really nice structure of how they set up their general settings for customers to make it easier for them to understand what they're doing. On top of that, this is the only free plugin that offers payment gateways in the free version. The BookingPress free version offers PayPal integrations, so you can accept credit card payments using the free version of this plugin. The first thing to notice about this plugin is the employee dashboard. Each employee that works with you gets their own personal custom dashboard, where they can access their appointments, calendars, payments, and customers all in their own dashboard. On top of that, you can customize this and modify this in the general settings. What's also great is all customers also get their own personal custom dashboard where they can access their appointments and reschedule in case something comes up. The BookingPress dashboard also looks great and has a very simplified approach. At the top, you'll see you can access sections like appointments, payments, customers, services, and staff members. Now, to be very clear here, the options at the top are the same options on the left side in the WordPress panel. And the setup process is straightforward. You click on services, and this is where you can add your services. Now, the only downside here is when you're uploading images, it actually pulls it from your computer and not the WordPress media library, which could be annoying for some. The services options are pretty typical and straightforward for a WordPress booking plugin. There's also a customize button where you can actually customize the booking form into different styles and colors, and they give you a live example of how the booking form will look. You can also do this for your employee dashboard and also your customer portals. And of course, all you need to do to add this to your website is just take the shortcode, or you can use a Gutenberg block and instantly add booking integration to your WordPress websites. Here's a live demonstration of how the booking process will look on your websites. I've also added the mobile on the screen just so that you can see how it looks from mobile devices. Honestly, I think mobile devices are more important because people generally book more from their mobile device than their desktop device. The Pro version gives you more control. It offers more payment gateways, adding locations, recurring appointments, gift cards, and a lot more. I would recommend getting the professional plan, which gives you access to majority of the features, and this costs about $139. They also offer a lifetime plan, very similar to other websites where you pay $229 and you get lifetime access on one website. I would give this plugin a solid 9 out of 10. I think it's a great addition for booking plugins.